Hello guys, welcome back to Learn Tech School. Today we are basically going to learn about how to use COUNTIF and COUNTIFs in Microsoft Excel. Before we start, COUNTIF and COUNTIFs are functions that allows us to count the number of cells that meet a specific criteria. So on today's lessons we have this beautiful table of ours. We are going to start with COUNTIF. The table consists of several columns. The first column is the gender column, then the next one city, and then we have the customer type and the product line, unit price, quantity, and sales. Let us identify the number of Nairobi city participated in the cell process. So I'm going to have my cell here, put in a equal sign, then type in COUNTIF. Remember, as you continue typing, you'll find the keyword popping up. So COUNTIF, what it says, counts the number of cells within a range that meet a given condition. So as it pops up, just double click on the appropriate name, that is COUNTIF. So the formula of COUNTIF, we have parentheses. So inside parentheses, it is asking you select the range, then there's a comma, criteria, and then closing parentheses. So we are going to start with selection of the range. So what you're going to do, basically you're going to select the column for city. That's where Nairobi is, from this point downwards. Then next we're going to add a comma for it. Next we'll be going to criteria. So criteria, what you want to identify is the number of Nairobi participant in this cell. So I'm going to put it inside double quotation mark here and type in Nairobi. Then I'm going to close in this parenthesis and I hit on enter. We've got 8. So 8 is the number of Nairobi participants in these cells. Next, we'll be going to identify the number of customer type normal that participated also in this cell process. Then you pick in customer type column. Next is a comma. The criteria here is normal. Then you close this bracket here and hit on enter. You've gotten the amount of normal, that is 19. Next, you can also identify the number of Nairobi city participants plus Mombasa that took part in this cell process. So for us to do that, we're going to write in equal, then type in COUNTIF. Then I'm going to select city column. Then there's a comma, criteria, Nairobi first. Then closing the parentheses, put in a plus sign. Next, we're going also to retype the word type COUNTIF again. Double click on this. Then you select the range again. Then put in a comma. This time round our criteria is what? Mombasa. Because you want to identify participant of Nairobi and plus of Mombasa all together. Then you add in closing parentheses after the keyword Mombasa. Then hit on enter. We'll find that the total number of Nairobi plus Mombasa, it will give us 15. Next, we want to identify the number of miles in Nakuru that took place. I'm putting is equal. Now, then type in the word COUNTIF. Double click on it. I'm going to select the gender column. Our criteria is we're going to identify male, so we're going to put it inside double quotation mark. Then I'm going to close in this parenthesis and I hit on enter. Now let us identify using COUNTIFS the number of males in Nakuru which took part in the sales process is equal, then typing in COUNTIFS, then putting in opening parenthesis. Now when it comes to COUNTIFS, the formula, we have parenthesis, then criteria underscore h1. So our criteria underscore h1 is going to be the column that belongs to gender, because we want to identify the number of males. We add in a comma. Next, our criteria is going to be male here. Then we have another comma here. We're going to select in the range for column of city, because we want to identify Nakuru here. Nakuru that took part. Criteria now is, my second criteria is going to be Nakuru here. Then I'm going to close this. It's going to give me a 4. The number of males that took part in Nakuru is 4. Let us confirm this. Male, this one, first one, Nakuru. We have another male here. Second one, Nakuru. We have another third male here. Here, Nakuru. We have fourth male here, Nakuru. So with the look of the eyes, it is right. We have only 4 males in Nakuru that took part. Now, let us go to another one. Let us find the number of female gender in Nairobi that made sales greater than 200. Is equal COUNTIFS. So my first criteria range 1 is going to be the column for gender. Then add in a comma. Next, my criteria 1 is going to be female. You put it inside double quotation mark. Then you add in a comma. Next, my criteria range 2 is going to be the city column. You add in a comma again. Then you're going to put in double quotation mark so that you can identify Nairobi, specifically Nairobi here. Now after that, you add in a comma. Then next, I'm going to select in the sales column. Then lastly, we are going to put in some specific. We want to find out the sales that were greater than 200. So I'm going to add the greater than symbol, then 200 here. then you close this parenthesis and hit on enter. Now we'll get an answer of 2. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, make sure that you like, subscribe and leave a comment. It really helps me out and let me know. It really helps me out. And let me know what you want to see on the next video.